kapatid. Ako si Alex Bruce.
For our first question po, can you share about your latest single and can you walk us through po sa process in making that song?
So I just released this new song called A to Z with Zay, my homegirl. So yung creative process with A to Z, it was very fun even though first time naman magtrabaho ni Zay and first time ko makapagtrabaho with another girl. Since second collab ko pa lang to ever buong buhay ko na maikli lang kasi hindi naman ako ganun katanda eh. So, we hit it off well. Sobrang natural lang ng proseso. Nagbabatuhan lang kami ng ideas. And, you know, instant friendship talaga, sabi ko.
And second question po, do you have an inspiration po in writing your songs po, especially yung mga rap parts?
Madami akong inspiration. Like, usually I write about what's happening sa buhay ko, kung anong mga na-experience ko sa pamumuhay ko. Pero, I like listening to a lot of artists like, yun nga, sina Lauryn Hill, sina Erykah Badu, and sa New School. I like listening to Doja Cat.
What is your favorite track po that you made?
Medyo mahirap siya sagutin kasi nung pinakinggan ko lahat ng kanta ko, parang mood swings siya kasi hindi ko alam kung anong trip ko sa buhay talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam. Pero siguro masasabi ko, Yakap, kasi it was a very special place in my heart since first, medyo nagdadalaga na ako noon. Medyo na-experience na ako ng butterflies, gano'n. Yeah.
Do you have plans po in pursuing or exploring other genres aside po sa genre niyo?
I've been saying this simula dati pa. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa reggae kasi may ibang side kami sa family na hippies. So, ayun, reggae talaga.
Ano ba yung pinakamalaking challenge po na hinarap niyo po sa music industry? Tapos, paano niyo po siya na-overcome?
Madami. Since I started very young then siguro, yung pinakamahirap na challenge na experience ko was being taken seriously. Kasi, siyempre, kakapiranggot lang ako noon. And, you know, I was just trying to prove na I had something to say. Pero masasabi ko naman na I've gotten better over the years and I did really improve. And overcome ko siya by learning more, you know, exploring more. Basta aral ng aral, gawa lang ng gawa hanggang sa...
Yeah. May advice mo kayo sa younger self niyo po? Ayun, as Alex Bruce po ngayon, ano po?
Kung may advice ako sa younger self ko, you turned out great naman siguro. Oh, okay ka naman, parang okay ka naman. Pero, siguro wag mo lang masyado pagurin yung sarili mo. Kasi sobrang competitive ko talaga dati. At kailangan kong maging pinakamagaling sa lahat ng tao. Dapat madami akong hobby, dapat madami akong and hindi naman laging maganda yun. Kasi I don't like being bored. Like, matali lang ako ng isang saglit sa upuan ko, hindi na ako mapapakali. Kaya, ayun, siguro pahinga ka ng madami. Pahinga ka and take your time with everything. Slow things down, don't rush things. Yeah.
And lastly po, promote your new song and your social media na.
So A to Z is out now on all music streaming platforms,
And you guys can follow me on all my social media platforms